In this video, I am going to show you how to match colors between photos. If you have a photo that you like the color of and wished you could match its color to some of your other photos, I'm going to show you how to do this. First, open both of the photos in Photoshop. We will match this sunset image with our other image. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Match Color. Open the source list and choose the photo you'd like to match the color of. Instantly it changes the overall color of your open document to match the general color of your source image. Now you can adjust the luminance, color intensity, and fade. Then click OK. This is how you can match colors between photos.